So we've just arrived at Fairy Rock. What's it called? Fairy what?
Fairy Rock.
Fairy Rock. What's it called?
Fairy Glen.
Fairy Glen.
Fairy Glen.
Fairy Glen. Never heard of it in my life. So we're taking Sydney for a walk. We found a little bit of a stream.
Fairies, Lennon.
Looks lovely though.
Nice on a bike down here.
Yeah, wouldn't he? She's a proper little daredevil. I'm climbing up to see this.
Daddy, can you hold my hand?
Okay, I'm just waiting for Nelly to slide down. Gotcha. She's determined.
Oh no. Got it! Got Nelly!
But don't take it, wait a sec. It's not ours to take, Nelly.
No, I just found it.
Oh, you just found it. Okay, hold it there. Let's have a little look. Wow, that's lovely. Okay, put it back now.
No. I think the fairies.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that might be good.
What's
Put
it?
it in there.
Oats.
Why did you put it in there?
That is a really good place.
Yeah.
A
Put it in
little
there, Nelly.
hole, a little hole
Yeah. We'll put where you found the stone.
in here.
Not in there, no, in the other way. Underneath
That
the
one,
tree.
I think that's a good one in there.
And hang it.
And hang
Let's
it
see.
off the top.
Show Daddy what it is first, Nell.
Um,
Let's see what you found. Oh, a little stone. Special stone that someone's left.
It's the fairies. I mean, the fairies
Oh.
have been here.
Found this little bag with a painted pebble in there and a little note telling a story about a lady who died, and she's got 2 children sadly. And what they want you to do is find this stone in a bag and keep placing it in another hiding place so someone else finds it and moves it on and passes it around this woods area, which is quite nice. Look, there it is. It's in place now.
I get me down. I can't get down.
Come on, I can get you down, don't you worry.
There's more. Wow, look. There's blue just next there. And now there's
This place is really picturesque. There's Sydney leading the way. She's off. Come here, let's see your chops. Ah, it's dirty mud. You found blue fairy dust.
It's follow a
Must be
trail.
sleeping in here. Oh, I think there's one in the back of there.
Your torch on.
Is there any in there?
Put your torch on.
I'm looking, I'm trying to see.
Your real life torch.
Okay.
Put your torch on.
Come in. Do you like the waterfalls, mate? I'm mesmerised by the waterfalls. You want to get in them?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't. Look at Nelly where she's coming down. Hold my hand a minute. Nelly, come the other side of the mud. Come this side. Go round that side. Well done, Nelly. Well done.
Yes.
Uh-oh. We've lost one.
Dad,
Yeah?
I'm guessing out, I think.
You're going to get out, okay? Watch, don't slip. Do you want me to hold my hand? No. Wow, what are they?
Queens?
Queens, eh?
Queen? Can't pick them out.
Lennon, cross the bridge. Yeah, watch the mud. Don't want to fall in the mud.
But I got welly boots on.
Yeah, you got your big welly boots on.
I can walk in the mud.
You can walk in the mud, walk past.